Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2000 Porsche Boxster. The color is ocean blue metallic with a blue leather interior. It's equipped with the optional 18-inch wheels. They are staggered. The rear are wider than the front. As a look at the brake rotors and the calipers. Wheels are in excellent condition. The body is exceptional. It's original. There's no dings, no scratches. That has also the optional oval exhaust tip. I think it was like a $440 option. This has a sport package. Has the deluxe leather seats and power seat package. It's a Tiptronic automatic transmission. Shifts very nicely. Original radio. This has side airbags and dual airbags in the dashboard. Bumper's not all chipped up at all. It's power top. So look at the inside. We'll start it up. There's the light on the left is for the rear spoiler. That goes off as soon as you start driving. Automatic climate control. Runs very smoothly. There we are, a beautiful Porsche Boxster. Very low miles, lots of options on it. Please take a look at the option list on our on the website. Thanks for looking in, and give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.